I'm Professor Thomas Maier, University of San Francisco, and Design Thinking Coach. I'm really happy to present to you a course in design thinking that's highly interactive and practical in nature. I'm going to guide you through the 4 key steps of design thinking, which begin with the discovery and observation period, followed by ideation and iterative thinking process. Next comes the prototyping, your ideas, and then lastly is the visualization techniques that are necessary to convince others that your ideas are sound. I'm confident that by learning design thinking, you're going to be able to boost your career going forward because you're going to be able to solve creative problems, and that's necessary in today's highly adaptive work environment. Look forward to seeing you soon. Come and join us.